Hey everyone, it's me, John Olive, from the Practical Chrome podcast. Just want to welcome you to another Adventures in Chrome. This one's going to be based on Chrome URLs. These are the internal URLs inside of your Chrome browser that take you into the browser. They don't go outside, they go into the internals of Chrome. And we're going to take a look at that. Now these do work on multiple devices, whether it's going to be on Windows or Linux, which is what the platform I'm on right now, or in the Chrome OS, of course. Now there's actually, some will work differently depending on what you're on, but we're going to take a look at the ones that do Chrome with most systems. So let's take a look now at just the basic ones, and let's dig in. So first of all, the URL is actually going to be the word Chrome, then colon, // and then the URL itself, which is going to be, for us, the first one we're going to do is Chrome-URLs. Now this is actually going to be a full list of all of the URLs that are available to you inside the Chrome browser. And you're going to see here, these are just kind of like internal URLs, like I said, that lead to different systems like crashes, components. But first of all, let's take a look at the first one that I wanted to show you. The first one is apps. So if you're on Windows or Linux or Mac, you'll actually receive this really cool list of applications that you have for Chrome. See that? Now on Chrome OS this does not work, but on any other system you should be able to get this to pop up, of course, except for mobile. But you can actually click an app. So like right now, if I were to go through here and I were to open up Google Notes or Google Keep, it will pop right up right there. Now you can see that the apps tab did disappear, but now my Google Keep did pop up. So you can actually launch some of your apps right through there. Pretty interesting, huh? And the next one I want to show you was downloads. Now you've seen this downloads. You can actually just get to this over here and click downloads, but you can see it's really just an internal page. Next one is extensions. Again, the same thing. You can get to this through settings, and then you just click extensions, and you're here. And of course, settings also, again, just a page. This might change in the future, of course, but right now it's literally just another page. Now here's one of the fun ones. So this is for some of the people that like to get into the nitty-gritty of their Chrome browser, or also definitely Chrome OS. So what this is going to do, this is going to allow you to take a look at all of the different pieces of Chrome that are using memory and how it's being allocated. Interesting stuff. So if you got some kind of runaway process, you can take a look at it. Of course, we do, of course, just have like an about system. And again, this is for people who really just want to know some system diagnostic information. But this is one of those hidden ones. It's not like settings or downloads where it's a page that you see often. It's one of those hidden ones. Same thing here over here in the version. And this gives you a full version of your Chrome, what OS you're running on, version of Blink, JavaScript, all that good stuff. So again, these are just the hidden ones, right? Here's one interesting one, GPU, for people who want to know how their graphics accelerator processor is working, because you've got the graphics processor and how it's being cared for by the Chrome browser, what it's not using, what it can use. Over here, here's one of the new ones. This is the WebRTC internals. And this is just one that kind of shows you what WebRTC chatter is going on with your Chrome browser. And this is, of course, the new Windows. This is the new Internet protocol that's able to do peer-to-peer connections using a new protocol. And now, finally, the one that really interests me, and I think interests you as well, is going to be the one that, again, don't really talk about it. It's not reachable through the GUI, as I'm aware. But this is the flags one, and this is the one where you can turn on experimental things and turn them off. And this is the one that people will say, oh yeah, if you want to try this experimental feature, go into flags and check this or check that, and then you're all set to go. Sometimes your browser might need to restart or something like that, but then you've got that new feature all ready to go. So again, I hope this was helpful, being able to see what the Chrome internal URLs. And so those are just Chrome, // flags, downloads, extensions, settings, different things like that. So definitely check those out when you get a chance. And again, I appreciate you watching Adventures in Chrome. Hope you get a chance to catch us on the podcast Practical Chrome, and we will see you next time.